Hello everybody, welcome to Summer Educational Services where I'm Junior, and today in this lesson I'm going to be showing you guys how to use broadcasting blocks in Scratch. Let's get right into this. So let's start off with what broadcasting blocks are. So broadcasting blocks are basically just blocks that will get a point across to your sprites. You can use broadcasting blocks to start your game, finish your game, or basically anything in between your game. So today I'm going to just show you a basic script on how to use broadcasting blocks. So right now I have this sprite right here, the Scratch Cat. And for this example, I'm going to get another script from the Scratch library. So let's just say I get an apple here. So I have this right here. So I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, and I'm going to just put it in the position that it starts at. So this is going to be the starting position. So you want to go to events to get your first broadcasting block. And then we're going to add a few, we're going to wait about 2 seconds. And then you're going to broadcast, I'm just going to name this broadcast fly. You can name your broadcast whatever you want, depending on what you want it to do. So I'm just going to do that. And then after, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to put the apple where it was. And then I'm going to say when I receive. So when I receive the broadcast, I'm going to glide to sprite 1. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to broadcast a message to the apple, and then when the apple receives that message, it is going to glide to your sprite. So let's test it out right here. So it's right here. We're going to wait 2 seconds, and the apple comes to the sprite. So yeah, that's basically just broadcasting in simple terms. And in our next lesson, we're going to advance a bit on broadcasting. Bye, everybody.